how to change Roblox VNG to normal. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change from Roblox VNG back to normal Roblox. So what that basically means, VNG is localized in Vietnam, or if you're currently located in Vietnam and download Roblox, you'll automatically get the Roblox VNG application. Now, if you're currently located in Vietnam and would like to download Roblox Normal, what you want to have to choose from or to use is a reliable VPN. Make sure that your VPN is turned on and is placed into anywhere inside USA. Now, once you've done that, you're just gonna need to fully uninstall your current Roblox that you have on your end by going to the Windows search and type in add or remove. Then click this option here that will redirect you into system settings. And then once you get here, just simply locate or find Roblox. Just simply locate or find Roblox right here or Roblox player, right? So, and then choose on uninstall. Once you fully uninstall the application, you're gonna have to re-download it from the official website of Roblox. And then once downloading, make sure that your VPN is turned on. And that's it. That's the most convenient way of changing Roblox VNG to Roblox normal.